So now let's see how we can use the breakout option inside of Zoom meeting. So for that, first of all, you have to go into the zoom.us website right over here. Then you have to navigate around to my account, and then from my account go to settings right over here, and then go to the advanced in meeting settings. So in meeting advanced right over here. Once you go over there, you can see that there's the breakout room feature, which is turned off by default. So I'm just going to click on this right over here. So now the breakout option is on. So you can see that you get an additional option as well, that is allow host to assign participants to breakout room when scheduling itself. So you can actually schedule the breakout room itself when you do the scheduling just like that. So I'm just going to turn that off right now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here onto the Zoom meeting client right over here, where the breakout room is now active right over here. So once I click on the new meeting and once I join myself from the mobile phone, we're going to take a look at that feature. So over here, you can see now that I'm inside of a Zoom meeting, and now as the breakout option was turned on, now over here in the meeting as a host, I can see the breakout room option. So I can click over here, and now you can see that I can assign participants onto it. So I can go over here, you can see that I only have one participant, but if you have more than one participant, then you can assign more rooms accordingly, as you can see right over here. So you can go over here and assign multiple rooms, as you can see. But in my case, I'm just going to assign one participant right here. So you can divide the participants automatically or manually, as you can see right over here. So in my case, I'm just going to do manually right over here, and then I'm going to click on create rooms. So once you do that, the room has not been created yet, as you can see right over here. So I can go over here, I can recreate the room right over here, or I can go to the options right over here, and I can select, like I have an option right here to move all the participants into breakout rooms automatically and allow the participants to return to the main session at any time. So let's say I want to disable this option right over here. And then over here, there's the breakout room closing option. So I can select this out, and let's say I'm going to end the breakout room every like around in 2 minutes, just like that. And over here, it also has an option to notify me when the time is up. So this is a handy feature. So I'm just going to turn that on right over here. Let me just bring this down to 1 minute. And over here, there's countdown after closing the breakout room. So I do want to turn this on as well. So set the countdown timer, 60 seconds right over here. So once that is done, once the setting has been done, I can open all the rooms just like this. And you can see that the participant has now been sent to the breakout rooms just like that, as you can see. So all the participants have been moved on to the breakout room over here, as you can see. So you can join in the breakout room as well, just like that. So you can click on join in breakout room right over here. So you can join in individual breakout rooms over there as well. So it's joining in the breakout room, as you can see right there. So now I'm in the breakout room. And now you can see that there's a remaining time shown up over here onto the top right hand side, and I can also click leave room, and I can leave the breakout room right over here and get back onto the main session right over there as well. So I'm returning back to the main session, as you can see right over here. So I'm in the main session right here, and then once the breakout room option is over, they get back over here. So this is usually helpful when you're doing a group work or something and something happens out. So you can see that now it says time is up. Do you want to close the breakout room session? If I were to do close now, all the participants will now return back onto the main meeting right over there. So it says all breakout rooms will close in about 52 seconds right over here, just like that. I can also go over here, and then I can wait, and now it's still in progress, as you can see, but once it is over, all of them will come back to the main meeting. And that is how you can use the breakout room session option inside of the Zoom meeting. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.